This is Apantesis Virgo, or the virgin tiger moth. A moth found through much of North America, specifically Lower Canada, eastern U.S., and stretching up into South Dakota and North Dakota. They feed on clover, lettuce, and plantains in the wild. They have a very striking pattern on their backs meant to disorient predators, with beautiful underwings also to disorient predators when opened. This also signals that they may or may not be poisonous to predators in the wild. Like many tiger moths, they can also make small clicks, though this one doesn't seem to be doing it. Beautiful moth.